They're trying to get out. Get on. Yeah. Oh, let's go.
Just throw him over here, Reese. Just throw him over
Shut it up. Get that one. She can get out though. They can get out. Oh, let me come over there. Yeah, whatever.
You okay?
You ain't going nowhere.
Hey, oh.
This joker sound like a baby. For real, boy. Go ahead and do that one. I got to do.
You ain't gonna
It's all right. It's not right, but it's okay. You're gonna make it anyway. Hush your crying, you will see. We're just trying to teach you, baby.
They're trying to see DT, baby.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you.
Strong too. Feisty little joker. Amen. All right, we done, y'all. So as always, I pray you have a blessed rest of the day. Go do something you have never done so that you can get something you have never gotten. And by all means necessary, always give God his glory. Okay? Say bye, man. Bye. He said bye.